Hello everyone, my name is Raj Sehdev and I'm here to show you a step-by-step guide to create your own custom palette for your Tableau dashboards. You may need to create a custom palette for branding guideline reasons, or to create a more cohesive look to all your dashboards, or perhaps highlight certain KPIs in a certain manner. We're going to start with step one. Step one is to make sure you have the hex codes for all your colors. As you can see on my screen, I've copied and pasted them here on my PowerPoint slide, so I can easily copy and paste them in what we call preferences. They will be located in your document and under my Tableau repository. So first things I do is I would like to copy and paste all of these hex codes into my preferences. You will find preferences in this pathway right here, Documents, My Tableau repository. And you will see here on the very bottom called Preferences. What you will want to do then is open it in an XML format. I've opened it in Notepad++, so you guys can follow along. There's a certain format you have to have in order for this to work. As you can see, you must have these codes here in place and have them in between these parentheses. As you can see, I've already copied the hex codes in, and then all I have to do is click Save. Once you've saved it, you can safely log out. No need to have it open. Close out any of the windows you have open and start opening up your Tableau dashboard. Simply click on your Tableau dashboard, log in, and as you can see in front of you, I've already had a very small but effective way for you to see how the color palette will show up on your screen. As you can see, I've already have my columns and rows filled out with dimensions and measures, but I would like to color this category. I would like to color it by category. So what I would do is just drag the category over. It will be highlighted in its own colors, that is inbox in Tableau. Simply click color, edit colors, and you can see on the very bottom, you can go ahead and see that your own custom palette is showing up here. And simply assign the palette. You can adjust any way you like and apply. And there you have it. A very simple way for you guys to create your own custom palette